transaction, the debit and the credit side is the same. Okay, so this is also the terms of the accounting. So that's the main, like if you like go want to explore something more on this application, and you want to know very well in of this application, then you have to actually do some research and you have to do some study on the accounting parts also, how it works,
It
because
is
based
so
on that then you can
confusing,
actually.
Prathu, sir. It is confusing.
Yeah, but yeah, it happens like based on your project, based on your
Right.
like application, you have to do some research, you have to do some study on those application also. Otherwise, because see, there will be so many accounting terms will be involved here, right? So if you
True.
don't know about all of those, then you will be confused. You will not be able to write down any user stories, or you will not be able to explore anything here, right?
True.
Exactly, because I was mentioning this morning that unless we practice hands on with each and every application or software we are given to work on, extensive handwork, hands on activities needed to understand this all these applications.
Yes. Okay, so what will be your focus? What will be your priority? So your priority will be like, first of all, you will have to add the user stories, all the things of the existing functionalities. Then you are going to explore or to add some more like what it calls the user stories on this. Okay, right now it's already like it's not uh I mean, I'll not say it. There are so many functionalities that are added here, but at least with this application, you can do at least your minimum, like the transactions. I mean, if you want to uh, like do your day to day like expenses, then the like the your received monies, all the things you want to do, you can do this with this application. It has already that capabilities, it has already those functionalities. Okay, but yeah, as I said, we can add something more here, because in other applications they have so many things. They have a nice reportings, they have also some other functionalities also, so many integrations also. Okay, so let's go to our organizations. So let's create a new project. Yes, for you, finance. Okay, so it will be like the all the user histories of the TS for a finance. Okay, let's create the basic or agile, whatever, then save it. Okay, so now after this, let's go to the backlogs. So right now we don't have any backlogs as usual. So what we are going to do, we're going to add a backlog here. So first of all, we are going to create some features. Okay, so the features will be authentication and authorization. Okay, so that means and this actually will have other like all the sign up, sign in, all those things, all those user stories. Okay, before that, let me add you guys also. So let me add you. Okay, and then create another feature for like the user management. User management means there are some user stories will be based on the,
Login
what is
ID
this,
or password or these things.
no, like the change the name here,
Okay. Update the
like
profile
Yeah,
or
if I
something,
go,
something,
yep,
right? Okay.
yep. Like you can update your name, update your profile picture,
Phone number.
change
Okay,
your
got
password. Yep, change the password. I mean, all the things you can work on their your information. Okay, and then let's go where? Yeah, then create another feature. That one is like uh finance management, right? So in this finance management, actually you will have all the financial related user stories. Then create another feature. That one will be like uh what it calls like the settings or the application settings. Like you may have to in the settings here, in the settings you may have like uh something like you can settings those you can actually what it calls like change the like the color of here, or you can add something new here. I mean, like some give role permission, or some you can also give some different permissions here, setting some notifications here, all those things. Okay, and also let's say we can add here also some yeah, we can add here also the notifications, though we don't have any notifications right now, so we can also add the notifications, so that with this notifications feature we will have like some user stories that we can actually integrate with our mobile application, and on that application we can also get some notification. Let's say in this here in this application, like multiple team members will work, right? Your financial advisor, then your HR, then your CPA, like some like those members will work. So if someone actually add any vouchers, add any laser, you will get the notification on your mobile, and you can actually verify those also. So also you can set the notifications there also. And also if you want to add the integrate the chatting here also, you can integrate the chatting here also. So it like what you have to do, like to explore the things more, the existing here we are good with these features already. But to explore more, to add something more here, we will have to actually explore the other applications, other financial applications, and by using those applications actually you can think, okay, these actually user stories we can actually add in our application also. So under this authentication and authorization, we can create the user stories. So let's create the user stories from here. So if I click on this plus icon of this authentication and authorization, so it will create a user story under this feature. Okay, so you'll not you don't need to map again, you don't need to link again, it will be linked automatically. But let's say if you have already the user stories and you want to link those with the feature, then that time you have to actually do it the way I actually show you before. Okay, so here you can say here that the user should be able to sign up, okay, with valid information. So we can put here objective. So as a user, I want to sign up with valid credentials so that I can, so that my information will be registered, registered in the application. Okay. Then the dependency. User should have a valid email address
Password and sign up, right?